Hi, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to like an NFT asset. So first of all, you're going to have to go to metapromarket.com, and after that you're going to have to connect to your wallet. To be able to connect your wallet, you're going to have to click the connect icon on the top right. And after that, as you can see, we have three wallets that we can connect to. Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm going to be using Metapro. So as you can see, now I have to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right a chain icon to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do that. Now I have to click connect, enter my passcode, click Web3 login, click sign, and as you can see, I am now logged in. So after you have logged into your wallet, I can start showing you how to like an asset. So first of all, you're going to have to click on assets, then go to show all assets. And after you've done that, as you can see here, we've got the assets. Now here you can like some by just clicking the heart icon. And if you want to unlike it, you can just click it again. Now, if you want to see how many assets you have liked, you can just click here and then click on profile, go to favorites, and as you can see, I have my liked assets over here.